It will come to this other
Checking Claravale, is it? But
Claravale. It's
these are the main one, but it's pretty white. There's a few people in the Kazal interested in the kingfisher.
Aye, kingfisher seems to get everybody. It's a little pond here. I'm just going to have a quick look.
It's like to sit dead quiet, but we want
to be making videos,
kind of making a video and talking about what we're seeing. So
this is quite clean for a pond, mind.
Ah, there's actually, yeah, you can see the bottom of it, like it's
very clean.
But anyhow, there is another little hut and I don't think many people use it because it's... So we're going to check that one.
Aye, like it's just in here. I don't think this one gets used as much, does it?
I don't think so. It's like I say, I mean, when you're sitting there, well, that's everybody's sitting dead silence and stuff and that. Like, see, like, talking about what we're saying and stuff.
Yeah, aye. You cannot really make a silent video. I'll just leave the camera on for a few seconds, But anyways, this is the hide, and I'll put the camera on when we get in. I've got the camera on record there, we're inside the hide.
What's this bird come back? It's got me colour on it, though. It might be a great tail, like it's had the stripe, but how it's still got some colour, even when they use it.
They normally do, aye, there. They pair them.
Yeah. I think this one comes back, what was it before? Had me colour at all, really.
I'll leave the camera on. If I can get it standing, because these little benches are bent. But we're at this different one. It's more of a woodland sort of hide. There's no pond on this one.
It doesn't look like
we're just thinking another one. It's like further down through there. But there was a few people there. The kingfisher was sitting there, and they were all taking pictures of it.
Being quiet, but we want to sit and talk about what we're seeing, so...
it would just be no good.
Yeah, there's a few people in, we can't really do that, can't we? The ones sit out.
Be nice and quiet so they can get good pictures. Oh, there's a little blue tit just sitting on there.
On a cop.
Try it again, right in front of you. It's on the feeder.
But I see it though, it's really colourless. Looks dead bland. You know, not even any colour now at all. It is a great tit, like, but it looks just...
Oh, there's another one. That's a young blue tit.
But that one
I think that's molten.
That other one looks pretty much mostly grey, didn't have any colour on it whatsoever.
Gone through a bit of a mold, that one. Oh, is that a grey squirrel? Was it a red?
No, it's not a red.
It's ginger, mate.
I know what you mean, but I still think it's a grey one. Sometimes they do get that colour because a red one's really red, isn't it?
I'm going to take this camera off the stand because it's I couldn't get it through the window. No, that squirrel was to the side. It wasn't a grey as usual. It was like a gingery colour, wasn't it? I'm just taking the camera off the stand so I can see what I'm doing because I can't get it.
Great tip right there.
Alright. There is a bubble.
That is a grey still, it's got a gingery colour. I know what you mean, mate. It's got a lot of red in it.
It is, it's a lot of red, but it's...
I still think it is the grey, you know, because sometimes the day end up in that gingery colour. Oh, is it a red? I don't know.
No, because it's...
It's got bits of grey in it, I think it'll... But to see that though, it's... Because the red ones are really
Aye.
Quite bright on it. You can see that it's frightened all the birds off.
Mm-hmm. Ah, it's a little hedge sparrow.
Don't know.
Mm. Another blue tit on the feet already.
It's just the young one, that isn't it? Looks a bit scraggy.
Oh, there was a chair.
I've seen it now.
No, it was just a bubble. I seen these branches moving out. I was like looking.
It does look a bit scraggy, that one.
Yeah, it's going through a mortar, I think. It's lost all its feathers.
It's not dropping to the feet, are they? You've been sitting there a while, like, oh.
It was, right?
They haven't, I think this place is a bit more neglected because they haven't actually got a lot of stuff food out of it now.
Another one.
Oh, that's cool. Both of them looking a bit scraggy.
Mm-hmm. I think they're the sunflower hearts, aren't they?
That's what they look like.
It's temporarily gone doing, it's gone.
I don't know why it hasn't though. I don't know what it's waiting for.
That's there now. No. No, didn't know what that was.
It is a nuthatch. And it's in that holly bush at the back of there.
So we're going to become...
It's a shot. Aye, it was a nuthatch. It's blue again now. It might come back like.
Oh, bullshit. That's a great chip. That is just a young bird, isn't it?
Aye, it's a neat colour on the top of it.
No, it's lost all the yellow. The molten note. The molten, that's where it is. The blues and the, like the spring plumage.
But yeah,
There it is, I was reading for
I'm
it.
kind of hoping that nuthatch comes back.
Aye.
What's that? Some fruit posture. You said the tree sparrow, that one?
It looks a lot like a tree sparrow. There's a cold chip back on the feeder. It's very quick. I want to see if there's sparrow glands on. Oh, it's that.
Oh,
Jackdaw.
Jackdaw, right. Still. Nice close shot of it though, sitting in the tree there.
It's going to come down to the feeder.
It's away.
It's away. It's seen what. We didn't want that here anyways. I want to see if these little sparrows come back in.
I want that
I
nuthatch.
can actually see it from here, through the trees there.
The nuthatch to come back.
I'm just trying to see if I can get this in shot. It's hiding down the leaves on that tree.
Oh, there's a woodpecker behind this. See this? You can't see it. It was loading. See that tree bent
Oh,
along
what's
the ivy?
What's this? Deer.
Oh, okay.
That was a very close shot of the deer. There's the woodpecker
Aye.
on the fence post. It's a great spot of woodpecker. Yeah, that's brilliant, man.
Nice close shot now, isn't it?
It is. things just landed in the background. I'm hoping I didn't make it. Hoping I didn't disturb this woodpecker.
Yeah, so we're getting some good, as I say, good spotted woodpecker here, mate.
It is, it's brilliant.
It's not actually as bad as what I thought, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
God.
That's a good one. Have a look at that.
I've still got it in shot. That was brilliant, that.
I've never seen one as close as that before, mate.
No. There's a lot of little birds coming in at the same time. Oh shit. No, it's definitely a young bird.
When it first flew there, I
Didn't look a lot.
Oh, there's
Oh, there's a few of them.
Oh no, there's a
It's a nest full of them.
oh, there's a few now.
That's a parent one, is it? No, I don't know. No, it hasn't got much colour either. No.
Not a lot of colour, just seems like grey. Kid before was mostly just grey, didn't it, mostly? Grey tip. Aye, right, did it.
Here's the quartet. Oh, it's actually tiny. It's just flew away again.
Right, is it?
Right, I've got the camera on because there's that sparrow. And that's just a sparrow. But it's in that ring doing it, you know. But I was thinking that there could be tree sparrows.
Probably are. Like more light, I think. Yeah.
Because the house sparrow has a grey head. And these tree sparrows have got the ginger head. I've gotten some good footage of them still doing that. There's the woodpecker chipping on again. Coming back. Just not rain doing there. It's what looks like a pair of tree sparrows. They've got the ginger head instead of the brown head. We don't see a lot of tree sparrows up in our area.
It's a great it's now the one that it's got its bright colour actually.
Yeah, one of the parent ones. There's a little tree sparrow went in, I mean a hedge sparrow went in there with them tree sparrows as well. The dunnock. It's known as a sparrow, but it's not even sparrow family.
Well, you call it sparrows, but trees, hedge sparrow trees.
There's a lot of birds flying up now.
That's cool. Hold the light like that. Just quickly in and out.
That's the parent ones, because it's still got plenty of colour. And that's one of the younger juvenile ones, because it hasn't got a lot.
Then any coloured towers are the young ones.
There's the big male one at the back there. You see the size difference in the young and the old. Because there's a young bird just sitting right in front of us. Otherwise it's just flew away. Oh, but there's one of them tree sparrows right in front of us. Right, so we'll call that a day from here. We've seen a lot.
That's a banana thought actually. That's a chaffinch.
Oh, right, that's going to land on that table.
Yeah, sitting on the log across there.
Aye.
You see it?
I can just see it's behind, it's going to come down. We're nearly going to call it a day until the chaffinch flew in. And we'll try and get under it.
It is being better than I thought actually.
Before it flies away. It's hiding behind the log. Branch for all I can see. That's away, another chaffinch. Right, anyways, we could sit here all day. There's not many birds coming in. You can hear the woodpecker cheeping in the background and all. Right, we'll get away.